students. So today we will be doing a summative assessment revision part 11. So today's topic is direct speech and indirect speech. So today we will be learning about direct speech and indirect speech. Now what do you mean by direct speech and indirect speech? See, direct speech is nothing but when suppose two persons are talking to one another. If they are exchanging the words between one another, that is called as direct speech. And indirect speech is nothing but when two persons are exchanging their words regarding a third person who is not here. If these two persons are exchanging the words about the third person who is not here, that is called as indirect speech. See, direct speech is nothing but when the actual words of a speaker are told to the another speaker. When actual words, see, this person is directly speaking to the person number 2. Similarly, what do you mean by indirect speech? Indirect speech is nothing but when the words of the speaker are reported to another speaker. See, this is your person 3, this is person 1 and this is person 2. Person 1 and person 2 are talking with one another about person 3. Okay? About person 3. So that particular type is called as indirect speech. Here is an example. Rama said, I like swimming. Rama said, I like swimming. Now, to identify whether it is a direct speech, always look for the quotation marks. Always look for the quotation marks. You will always have quotation marks if a sentence is in the direct speech, or else you will not having the quotation marks. And always after the speaker, you will be having a comma. Now, when you convert this into indirect speech, the first thing is that you need to convert the said into the reported word. This particular word is called as reported word, and after the subject you need to add that, and always the sentence change into past. Always the sentence change into past tense. Okay, you can add like this, that he likes swimming or he liked swimming accordingly. Since it is in continuous tense, I am writing in past continuous tense. That is, Rama told Sita that he likes swimming. Now, note, you need to pay attention here on the note is that the reported word, that is this word, depends on the types of sentences. The types of sentences we have discussed in our earlier part 1. Kindly check it. Okay. Now, type of sentences. Okay, this reported word directly depends on what type of sentences is the sentence. Comes under what type of sentence. Now, see, the first one is declarative sentence. The first one is declarative sentence. Now, declarative sentence, in a short summary, I can say that a sentence that describes or states some facts that are true and cannot be changed. Okay, that is called as declarative sentence. Here, the reported word changes into said to told. Said to told. Now, the first sentence that I have given you the example can be the example for your declarative sentence as well. Now, second one is the integrative sentence. As the name itself suggests, integrative. That means you are asking questions to someone. When you are asking questions, the reporting word directly changes into question or asked. Question or asked. So here the sentence for this, the example sentence for this can be, if I ask, the teacher said, how are you? So you can be the indirect speech sentence can be, the teacher asked about my health or about how I was doing. Okay, so this can be your integrative sentence. Now, the third one is imperative sentence. Now, the reported word said changes into ordered or requested. As the imperative sentence means the sentence says the type of sentences that states commands, orders or request. That type of sentences are called as imperative sentences. Now, exclamatory sentence. Okay. The example for imperative sentence can be teacher said close the door. So you will be writing teacher ordered to close the door. If I add please in the sentence, teacher said please close the door. So you can say teacher requested to close the door. Whenever there will be a please in the sentence, at that time you will be using requested as your reporting word. Now the third and the last one will be exclamatory sentence. Now exclamatory sentence is nothing but that defines your sudden feelings. Now here the reporting word will be exclaimed. So you will be writing, it will be accompanied by the feelings. Exclaimed with joy, exclaimed with sadness. Okay, so it will be accompanied by the feelings. Hope everyone understood. Thank you all. I shall see